We created a new application here, a form application. So that application has this form. Let me just make it smaller. And what we want to do here, we want to talk about how to add classes. So we have one class, as we mentioned before, which is in the program. We call that one. From the program we call the main, we call form1. You see, this is the driving class, which is the class program. Start from here and here, and it has one method, which is the main, and then main create a new class. So this is the main, this is the class itself, okay, and contains only main. Then there is another class. This is the class form. So if we go to the code of that form, double click anywhere, then this is the class where it is called here form, inherited from form type, but this is generally is a class form1, and it has this is constructor, and this is the load, because I clicked on the load, double click on there, so this is created to me because for the load of the form. So we have now here two classes. If I want to generate or create a new class, either a form or something else, so I go to the application here, which is the project. This solution may have many projects, and we have this project, only one project. We don't need to have more projects than this, but within the project, right click, and that right click take you to here, go to add, and in the add there are several things you can add here. Some of them appear here, use them before, or it's common, like if you want to create a form. But if you go to the new items, a new item show you several types of what you can add. Okay, so mainly this is for the Windows form, and this is for the class. So we want to use the class now, and you can give it a name, any name. Name it as student, and for convention, usually any class start with capital letter is better. Then add. This added to me a student class, and the student class here contain what? Contain, this is the normal, see, this is the class. So the class is just here. So we need to put here anything about classes. As you know, the class contains of three parts. Let me talk about them now. This is how the class represented in UML, Unified Modeling Language. So this is the one. As you see, it contains three parts: the name of the class here called student, and the attributes here, the types of them, and the methods. Then we have the minus represent private, and the plus represent public. Most of the attributes are private, and most of the methods are public. Some of them might be private, but here public means we can use it from another class. So in the next video we are going to program the student we created as class to add these attributes.